Oh yeah, I haven't seen something like this in a while. Let's go. I did forget to mention you do get 30% off all these prices. Zion 3s right here go for 65, size 11. These look like a Nike by you. Yep, size 11, $78. Vaporfly Next Percents, Gently Worn, $130 for those. All white ones right here. Look at all the red tags that you can see. Drove an hour and a half just to get to Redlands. Last few visits, man, this place has been pretty freaking solid. This place does have refurbs. It's all the way over here on the far left. Oh hell yeah, I haven't seen something like this in a while. Let's go. Jordan 1 low golf right here. Of course, the first thing I'm thinking, would my kid like this? I don't think he'd like the alligator print. These are going for $70, size 9.5. Jordan 37s right here, size 8, 111. Infinity Run 4s going for $80. GT Jump 2s right here, 108, like new. Cosmic Unity Gently Worn going for $80. That is a size 7 though. GT Hustle 2, slightly imperfect, 85. These are 9.5. Luca 2s down to 65. And I did forget to mention you do get 30% off all these prices. Size 10.5 Metcon 9, 75. A little much. LeBron 20s going for 100. Romelios, $100. Size 11s right here. Yeah, I was like, these look like a Nike by you. Yep, size 11, $78. Jordans right here. These are 37s, $93, size 10.5. Zion 3s right here, going for 65, size 11. Jordan 2s down here, 75. Jordan 36 lows right here, what is that? $83. Legacy 312, 73. We saw these cheaper at Chic. And this is slightly imperfect too. Size 14 right here. KD 16s going for 80. 75 for the Zion 3s right here. Legacy 312s down here. $73. Dang it. Nothing in the 10, 10.5s for me. 9, 9.5s for my kiddo. Dang it. Ran over here to the women's section. See if they got anything in the refurbs. Size 7 women's, 85 like new. Size 8 right here, slightly imperfect. Aluminum 1 highs right here, go for 90. Air Max 90s right here. These are Nike by you. Don't know the price though. Jordan series right here, going for $40. Man, these look weird though. Dang, if these were some good sizes, that'd be dope. Vaporfly Next Percents, Gently Worn, $130 for those. Don't need a size 9.5 women's. Do got these all white ones right here, $108. So that brings that down to what, $80 or something like that, 70, 77 or something. These are size 10 women's, like new. Vapor Max 2023s, yeah, 2023 flying slightly imperfect, $105 for a size 9. Just Forces in a color I've never seen before, $85. Scorpions down here, size 8 Gently Worn, $125. These look like some Sabrinas right here, some Sabrina size 9, $65. These are slightly imperfect though. That is dope. They have a pretty decent refurbished section in the women's right here, as well as this men's section. Look at how big this men's section is. That is dope. I was walking by, I was like, did someone just leave a bunch of trash? No, social status laces. I don't think they are for these though, are they? Nike Attacks, did they have a social status? Oh, they did. I guess they did have a social status collab. I wasn't aware of that. Mac Attack social status colorway or collab? Okay, okay. These are size 6 though. It's a collab, but you can't even tell. I didn't see anything unique about them. Interesting. Size 8's on the back wall where you get 30% off. 40% off. $140 for the Air Max 90s 7s right here. Dang, $250 for the LeBron 4 graffitis. Some sprinting spikes right here. The Max Flies going for retail Some Terminators right here, which look pretty decent, $100. Size 9 Air Max 90s or 8.5 go for $115. Absolutely nothing in the size 9s. These are 9.5. Oh, these are 9. Okay, you got some Dunks. You should get 30% off. Thought it was in the 9.5 section. Now in the 9.5 section, $125. They still want 2 for these LeBrons. Damn. Jordan 2s right here. What the hell? Cortezes right here. What the heck? So their refurb section is dope as hell, and then their back wall is so whatever. Trainer 3 lows go for $75. $100 for the ones. Air Max 1s right here. Dang. Most of the wall going for retail. At least you get that 30 off. Got some Dunk highs right here, 95. There are more up-tempo slides. I do have one of these at home. Finally was able to grab them from the homie. And yeah, they're going for the full retail here. At least you get 30 off, but still not great. Damn, the back wall, there's just not much, yo. Wow. Let's see if we have any more luck in the clearance apparel. Tons of potential, 5 different racks right here where you get 30 and even 40% off. Holy crap. Apparently they're getting rid of all the golf stuff right here because that's what is 40% off. Polos going for $55. And they got many different colors, many different sizes. And it looks like most of these $55. This one's $50. That's a small right there. $55 for that one. Like I said, plenty of different colors. If golf is your thing and you need some polos, they got you here. $65 for this double XL Jordan. But yeah, plenty of these bright color ones right here. They got an ACG vest. If you need to look around like you got a life preserver on. $134 for these bad boys right here. This is an extra small though. Interesting looking Jordan shirt right here. This looks hella big. Yeah, double XL 35. And you get an extra 30 off. Running pullover right here, $60. 30 for this t-shirt. Tech fleece right here, $84. $84, you get another 30 off of those. Yeah, and it did fall off. Look at the hanger. They'll be using some of the cheapest hangers. Holy cow. That comes out to $60 for that tech fleece. Not too bad. Not too bad. Nike running. Is this a running pullover? No, just a nice dry fit, medium duty pullover. Going for $70. Tons and tons of t-shirts. Ton of these blank Jordan jerseys going for $22. Also got purple one for $20. Tons and tons of basketball shorts. We've seen these pretty much at every outlet lately. These are going for $25. See these in all kinds of sizes. Also got all these running shorts going for $60. Holy cow. Sweats right here. These are down to $55 with 30 off on top. They've been having so many of these cargo pants and they're like wide as hell. And these are $110 for those. Got some sweats right here going for $35. Not seen too much craziness. That was all 5 of these. But we see a bunch of other stuff with additional discounts. And we'll get back to that right after we check out the aisles. $200 for the LeBrons right here. All kinds of animals needed to be used for this one right here. Not really. $250. Next gens right here. Wolf gray. Metallic silver. Then got some Witness 7s right here. Hyperdunk 2017s. Then we got Katie Trey 510s. Seen these like at every freaking outlet. Also got some of the Immortality 3s right here. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Pretty heavily discounted. Is this the exact same one? No, I think that one's blue or navy, and that one is a different color. Oil gray? What the hell? Laser orange one right here. GT Cut Academies. I was just about to say, I think I've seen these for hella cheap. Yeah, so just be patient when you see stuff like this. Another one of the Hyperdunk 2017s. Trio of the Mac Attacks. Royal Purple Platinum. Oil green right here. Blazer Jumbos. As well as a Blazer Mid. Huarachi runners. Another one of these, and then a regular Huarachi in all white. More Huarachis on the backside right here. Got some Roshi ones. Premium versions right here. Airspan 2s. That's a dope colorway. A quartet of those. Price is definitely going to be falling down. I think I grabbed mine for like 30 bucks, something like that, so they'll fall. Cortez, black and white. Got some trainers. Flight 95s. Terminator highs. Pumoras. These were a quick strike. So were these, apparently. Got some penny 2s. Social status collab right here. Got the sale ones and the black and royal. And I am a fan of these. I'm a fan of these. 100 bucks. Maybe if they go on the back wall for another, what, 30-40% off. Got some Forces, some retros, Air Max 1s, the 90s, trio of 2017s. We've been seeing these left and right at every outlet. Black and white Metcon 8s. Got a couple of free Metcon 5s. Yeah, both of them 100 bucks. Looks like they're getting rid of all the winter apparel because it's all from last season. $50, you get an extra 40 off. Also getting rid of some of the summer stuff as well. This is the great thing about in between seasons. $40, you get an extra 20 off of these. $40 off of this rack right here. This sweatshirt right here, $40, and then you get another 40 off, so it's at 24 bucks. Polos, get an extra 40 off of these bad boys. So yeah, these are what, 20 bucks? $35 before the savings. 40% off the shorts right here, $40, and then you also get 40% off 25 for these right here. Get a little preppy looking set right here. The slacks go for $60, you get 40 off of that. And then these polos right here, slightly different material than the one on that other rack. It's like a dry fit material. Yeah, these are going for 60 though, or 55. So got them in black and white polos right here. These are down to 40. Got extra bright swimming suits, $15, you get another 30 off. So was that $10.50? Yoga right here, go for 30% off. So 30% off, 43. I don't think you have to do yoga on these. These are super light, super thin. But yeah, 43. They have a bunch of different colors, bunch of different sizes. Ton of their running apparel. Look at this, all their running stuff. 30% off. What are we talking about? $35, you get an extra 30 off. This one's tops only. And you got more Nike dry fit running stuff. $40, 30 off of these right here. Gotta see what's up with the huge sizes and the women's. Yeah, not really seeing anything heavily discounted. Yeah, no extended size pricing on any of this stuff. $135 for those. Jordan 1 slips right here. Nah, no discounts. No big discounts on these Nike Dunk Low twists either. Air Max 1s right here, $140. Jordan 2s for $100. Size 8.5. Blazers go for $70. Air Force 1 low shadows right here, $110. Dunk Low twist, these are going for $90. So slight discount. Metcons right there, $120. Jordan 1 lows right here, as well as these Sabrinas right here. Yeah, not too crazy. These are all white. Shadows ain't bad. $85. Moving on to the women's aisles. These ain't bad, dude. These look kind of dirty, but super long hair suede, that's not bad. Plenty of sizes in women's, and even men's sizes, because they go up to size 12 women's. Dunk highs right here. Plenty of Forces. The platforms right here, the shadows, we just saw that in the back wall. Got some regular ones right here. Got some all whites. And then more platforms and more shadows. All kinds of 270s. Go for way too high though. Damn, regular price for all these. Retail for all of them. And then the usual, all kinds of blazers. And I think that's about it, yo. Wow. And they do got some Dunk Low twists right here for $90, and then you get an extra 30 off. Comes with full box. They do have discounts on some stuff right here. I need one of these. I need like a huge one just like this one. What is this? 64 ounces. I don't know if I want plastic though. I'm trying to get away from plastic with all the microplastic stuff out there. Yeah, these are $30, 25% off. 64 ounces for those right there. This is 40 ounces, $26. You get that extra 25 off. What are these right here? Oh, it's like a little strap that you can put around. Are these fanny packs? They might be huge fanny packs. $30. I think you get that extra 25 off. There's a little duffel bag right here, $45. And they got these right here as well. These are $15 and you get 25 off. Backpacks, generic backpacks right here. Is that 45 for that one, 35 and 45, you get an extra 25 off. I kind of like these because you get an extra 25 off as well. So that brings that out down to what, $40 or something like that. Yeah, that didn't work out. But yeah, do got straps and stuff. The straps are kind of whatever. Like they have the Air Max ones with the Air Max or the Air Max units right here, and that one feels pretty good. This one feels kind of cheap. They just put an Air Max thing on the front, but pretty whatever, dude. Pretty whatever. They got this weird one where you roll it up top, kind of weird. But it is a backpack. $50 for those. Got more of the drawstrings one. Get an extra 25 off. Some more generic backpacks right here. And the Nike Elite backpacks, you do not get any discounts on these. These are going for the full outlet price of $60. I don't know if you guys do this, but I always loop around to see if I missed anything, especially in my size, especially on the refurbished stuff. But I don't see anything that I missed. They do have the shoe recycling program. I always forget to bring shoes in, man. I always have a bucket of shoes. I think I threw the last ones away because I kept forgetting to bring them. Dang it. If you're in the Inland Empire, this is one of the doper locations. Look at all the red tags that you can see. But definitely a dope location. Huge refurbished section. I love the fact that it's all separate so you can go through it real easily. If you live in LA, is it worth the drive? I don't know. That's something that you guys are gonna have to figure out. To me, it's worth it because I get to make videos and they got a dope refurb section here. So, all right, we're out, man. We're out. Make sure you guys help our boy. Press the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. We're out, man. We out. Here's a little preview of tomorrow's video. And of course, we start with Nike. They got a line. And what are these doing at the outlets? What the hell? Pretty freaking solid price, yo. Yo, these ain't bad either. Holy cow. Is this the cheapest we've ever seen these? Finding so many of these. Not in the color that I need, unfortunately. $90 for these. Gently worn. Holy cow. $70.